I'm making this for a friend of mine. Okay, this is a gyro system. Mark 14 gun sight. In regards to oil, I don't know. I've never seen anything for oil on this. Pretty much airtight, but it's air supplied by this pump here. Let's see. Air supply. I got a bunch of these things. I've had them apart. There's a filter here, air filter. Air comes out, another air filter here. And I've had this off. No indication of any kind of oil. Can't get it off. Oh, probably not. But motor drives this compressor. And as I said before, I had it apart. No indication of oil on any of this stuff. I'm sure it's lubricated, but no oil ports or nothing. I have another one here. It's an antique. And no, I don't see anything for oil. I can move it out. Heavy little bugger. I think it's just lubricated. That's the compressor. Very ancient one. Let's see. No. I just believe, I think they're just lubricated. It's the motor that drives this. Okay. Let's take a look around here. Could be oil in where the metal parts are moving. Like this piston here. Pretty dry, but it works. It runs fine. Vintage antique. 110 volts. I just think it's kind of lubricated. In my personal opinion, I don't know. But yeah, so that's pretty old. Anyway, I just thought I'd show that off for now. My extension cord somewhere else, and I'm too lazy to go get it for you, but I can do it if you want to. Okay, hope that helps.